Hi, I'm Tim with Hey Joe Motorcycle Rentals. Just wanted to show you a few of our bikes. Our scooters, I got 4 scooters. To the far left we have a Yamaha Mio. It's one of the lighter bikes. It's got good power. It's a 110 carb-rated, 110cc carb-rated. Over here I've got the Scoopy, which is also a 110 carb-rated. It's a Honda. It's got good power. I've got more of these. It's the more popular one here in the Philippines, especially in Bohol. And over here we've got the Honda Beat. It's a 110 fuel injected, which gives you plenty of power for wherever you want to go. Goes up hills really easy. The kind of the Cadillac is called the Honda Click. It's a 125cc fuel injected, liquid cooled engine. It's got great power. It's good for going long distances. You'll really enjoy this one if you want to go in style. Then we got our semi-automatics, which means you've got a 4-speed, but you don't use a clutch. It's like having a clutch without having to use the handle. We got the Honda Wave. It's a 125cc, good power, go all over the island, good roads here. Then we got the XRM, Honda XRM. All my XRMs have been lifted, and they got bigger tires, so you can go anywhere on them. A little higher is better for a lot of foreigners that are especially tall. This is our XR 150cc, a 5-speed, 5-speed clutch. It's a 2016 model. Great power. This is a new model for Honda. It's the better trail bike. Replaces the old 200 that's been around for years. It's got a real soft, comfortable seat. It's got a monoshock. It's really good if you got back problems, you want a comfortable ride. This is the bike, especially if you've been riding bikes for a while. It's really comfortable. You can go anywhere. Most of the roads here in Bohol are really good. If you want to do some off-roading and the weather's not too bad, take this bike. It's especially good.